What's needed to drive real adoption of unified communications is really taking the first step towards SIP. And SIP has not been readily available until really the last couple of years. It's really a phenomenon that's first occurring in North America, starting to move into Europe, into parts of Asia and CALA from there. And SIP allows us to create really a topology that allows unified communications to work, whether it's voice, video, text, data collaboration, any of those things. It really starts with SIP, and that transition is just taking place now. So we're really at the start of this journey, and that's the exciting part. We're all used to connecting anywhere, anyhow, anyway. We want the same features on our Android device, with the same features on our iPhone, same features on our iPad that we have at our desk. Work is an activity, it's not a location, and that's what's fundamentally changed. Very much like Salesforce.com changed the model versus Oracle and SAP, we're changing the model in this category for hosted service providers to be able to offer new services through the cloud, as well as enterprises be able to access those services through the cloud. If you think about the Salesforce.com model, or the NetSuite model, or the SuccessFactors model, they've gone and delivered CRM applications, accounting applications, HR applications through the cloud, but it's to democratize access to really enable workforces. The same thing has happened in the communications sector. We're seeing that happen with the hosted service providers, the hosted UC providers, and it's happening quickly on the low end, and it's starting to happen rapidly on the high end. And so that market's going to grow double digits, but it's really because people want access anywhere, anyhow, through any device. What happens, though, is that creates a degree of complexity that you've got to be able to address, and that's really unique with SIP and how you manage SIP, and you can do that. The second dimension is the modality of communication has also changed. It's no longer just a voice call. As you think about the transition of enterprise and service provider networks, it's very much like the personal transition we go through in terms of how we connect. When you think about what sets Sonus apart in the market, there's really four factors. We've got this great heritage that's been built up over the years, and that heritage is built on scale. We've gone and built the largest networks on the planet, networks that serve hundreds of thousands of users, and we can scale as the demands of enterprises scale as well, and as they move to a session-based environment, we can scale and scale seamlessly. The second dimension that really sets Sonus apart is this notion of flexibility. We've built a topology that's not just voice-centric, but serves data, it serves video, it serves text traffic. The third dimension is reliability. We build 6 nines networks. That's in our DNA. It's not a best effort bias. When we talk about reliability, it is who we are. It's not some promise that we hope to fulfill. And then finally, great technology is only great if it's easy to use. You can have great technology, but if it's difficult to implement, difficult to manage, it's not really great technology. And it's something Sonus realizes. When we came in and reset the marketplace and the move and the transition from TDM to voice over IP, we took all that equipment and put it in a rack. And we put it there with 6 nines reliability. And it was easy to use, easy to maintain. And we apply that today. As you look at our SBC portfolio and the Sonus SBC 5100 that we came out with, that product can be configured, deployed, and running traffic in 1 hour. So this notion of simplicity, how we do training, what's on the website, how we communicate, every single element is a core value and a virtue to our firm. So it really goes back to those four factors. It's about scale, it's about flexibility, it's about reliability, and it's about simplicity. Those are the four things that set Sonus apart in the marketplace today.